guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Katie, and in my last packing video, some of you commented that you'd like to see how I pack my packing cubes. Now I use packing cubes mainly to keep myself organized, keep my clothes clean. If the place that I'm staying in kind of has some bad smells, that kind of protects my clothes. So I'm getting ready to go to Asheville, North Carolina for Thanksgiving, so I thought today would be a perfect time to show you how I pack my packing cubes. So let's get packing. I am using Pro packing cubes. I'll leave a link down in the description if you want to check these out. They come in a set of 6 with 1 large, 3 medium, and 2 small. Typically, I will use 2 of the medium and 1 small for clothes, and then a second small packing cube for other items such as accessories or a blanket. For bottoms, I'm packing a pair of fuzzy pajama pants to keep me warm, a pair of jeans, a pair of black pants, a pair of leggings to work out in, and a pair of shorts just in case it warms up. For shirts, I'm bringing a long sleeve pajama shirt, a black turtleneck that's long sleeve, a long sleeve red shirt, a short sleeved white shirt, a long sleeve casual red shirt, a long sleeve green sweater, as well as a white and black cami for layering pieces, and 2 t-shirts. For undergarments, I'm bringing a pair of underwear for each day plus 2 extra. I'm trying to break out of the habit of bringing double the underwear. Comment below if you still bring way more underwear than you need on your trips. I'm also bringing some socks, a sports bra, a sleeping bra, and my swimsuit that I can also double up as undergarments as well as another regular bra. For outerwear, I'm bringing a half-zip jacket and a black puffer vest in addition to my coat that I'll wear while traveling. For shoes, I'm bringing a pair of black boots, a pair of hiking boots, some casual sneakers. I will also be horseback riding on this trip, so I'm going to be bringing a pair of tall boots as well. In addition, I'm bringing a scarf, a hat, and gloves just because it's going to be a little chilly at night. I'm going to take out the pair of black pants, black cami, the green sweater, my black vest, and black ankle boots because that's what I will be wearing on my day of traveling. Now I separate my packing cubes into bottoms and tops because it helps me keep better organized. So we're going to start packing the bottoms first with all of the pants that I'm not going to be wearing on my day of travel. I like to put the pajama pants on top just because when I get into my suitcase, it'll be at night when I am ready for bed. Also, I have some extra room in this packing cube, so I am packing my swimsuit top on the side of this packing cube. There is still a little bit extra room in this packing cube for other garments, but this is just what I'm going to leave it with. It doesn't look like it'll fit, but it does. For the packing cube with my tops, I will roll most of these shirts. Typically, I do a better job of folding and rolling when I pack to minimize wrinkles, but for today's purpose and seeing what I'm packing, you'll just have to do with my quick rolling job. I like rolling most of my shirts so that I could see them all in a row and get a better idea of all the options that I have in case I want to change up which outfit I have planned for which day. For my thinner clothing items such as my cami, I usually lay that flat on top to save space, and then my 2 t-shirts I have folded using the KonMari method. That's just how I fold my t-shirts. It saves room. I'm not going to worry about rolling them because they all fit into this packing cube nicely. For my undergarments, I will use one of the smaller packing cubes. I have rolled up my underwear and will pack that first to the side. Then I will lay the sports and sleeping bra flat, pack the bulky socks on top, as well as the bottoms of my swimsuit here. And then for my regular bra, since it is wired, I will pack it around the clothing item so that it can preserve its shape and then zip it up. In my second small packing cube, I typically pack my blanket for in case I get cold on the plane or at the Airbnb, but in this case, I'm going to replace that with a bulky scarf, hat, and gloves, which will still keep me warm if I get cold or will serve as a pillow if I need it. Similar to my other packing video, I lay any bulky items or outerwear that I didn't pack in the packing cube flat in the bottom of my suitcase. So my half zip jacket will go in first, and then I pick kind of the shape of the packing cubes and organize them and lay them flat. Now I still use the compression sleeve of my away suitcase. Even though I'm using packing cubes, this helps me compress and lay everything even tighter in my suitcase to maximize space. And there you have it. It's my suitcase. If you haven't seen my previous packing video, I'll leave that linked below. So that's how I pack my packing cubes when I travel. Sometimes I do switch up the folding versus rolling depending on how many days and nights I'm staying and the different clothing items that I'm bringing and whatever makes sense. So it's kind of like a jigsaw puzzle and whatever fits in your suitcase. I hope you were inspired and found some different packing styles that you're going to incorporate in your next trip. Leave a comment below if there's a particular packing style that you use, and I'll see you in the next video. Ciao for now.